Hi everyone, today I am presenting my third task. I am glad to share that I have completed task 3 of data science and business analysis internship with the Spark Foundation. I want to thank to the Spark Foundation for such a great opportunity. So the task which is given is we have a sample Superstore data and which we have to perform exploratory data analysis, and the objective of this task is as a business manager try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit, more sales, and the second objective is what all the business problem you can derive by exploratory data analysis, and the level of the task is beginner, and you can download dataset using this link. So this is the sample Superstore dataset that I have to use to create a dashboard in Tableau. The column names are row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So this is the sample Superstore sales performance dashboard. This dashboard helps us to explore the data with interactive visualization. Let me show you overview of this dashboard and the analysis. I created some KPI for this sales performance dashboard. First KPI for total sales, and the total sales has been recorded are almost 22 lakh 97,201, and the total profit has been recorded are 2,86,397, and the total quantity recorded are 37,873. And after that I created how much discount they provided, and the total discount was 15.62%. Below are 6 graph which I have to create to analyze profit and sales. I go through each and every graph, and very first graph chart which is a sales by region chart, and it's very straightforward chart. Region on y-axis and sales on x-axis. Here we can see that the top sales by west region are the highest sales, and it represented in dark blue color, and the other region are in the sky blue color. Or we can simply do for top two sales by region like west and east. They have almost similar sales. We can do this using rank category rank calculated field. We can do that. And the second graph basically a trend line chart. I have i have maximum and minimum here. You can see the maximum here and minimum here. We can see that for the year January 2014 there was a loss amount around minus 3000, and the December 2015 highest profit were recorded around 18,000. And moving to the third visualization which is the state-wise profit. Here the darkest blue color represent the maximum profit, which is in California $76.38K, followed by New Hampshire and the Washington state. And we have the darkest orange color which represent the maximum loss, which is in Texas with a loss of $25K, followed by Illinois and the New Mexico. Okay. Hereafter, and these four scatter plot, which is fourth scatter plot, which is the subcategory having sales greater than 155K and the profit 20K. We can see that these five subcategory having sales greater than 150K and the profit 20K, which shows that we can increase the quantity of this subcategory, which will help us to increase the profit and sales. And also for the subcategory tables, sales are very high. We can see almost 2 lakh 6,096 sales are there. But we can see it also a huge number of loss like minus 17,725, followed by two more category, bookcases and supplies. These three category are in loss. And the next visualization for side by side chart for the most popular segment and ship mode. Here we can see that the standard class has been most number of sales in different. segment followed by the second class. Here we can see. And the most popular segment has been consumer, followed by corporate, and followed by home offices. And moving on the second last graph, which is category and subcategory analysis. This analysis made on three factor: sales, quantity, and profit. Red bar represent the technology part, technology category, and the orange bar represent the office supplies, and the dark blue color represent the furniture category. We can see that the table subcategory has the highest amount of loss in furniture category, where the chairs subcategory has the highest profit in furniture category, and also blinders and paper has the highest profit in office supplies, and overall the technology category has the highest profit. So I would suggest that add more subcategory in the technology category to increase the more profit. And another observation is that there is a huge number of sales in machine subcategory. We can see that there is no profit, there is almost less profit, so we can reduce the amount of this subcategory, machine subcategory. We can reduce the number. And the another observation is that there is a good amount of discount in bookcases and also in tables subcategory. We can see that there is a no profit, but it is in loss category, so we can reduce the amount of this subcategory, this both subcategory. And moving further, moving to the last graph, which is the monthly sales for forecasting, and we can see that I forecast sales for 1 year and see how it looks. It looks very idealistic. Now time for the filters like segment, ship mode, and category, region wise, and state wise filtering. Then use this filter, whatever you want to choose from this filter. Based on that information, you will update it in the dashboard. Okay, we select only central region. Okay, based on that, how dashboard look likes. Here we can see that there are three subcategory in furniture category has been recorded loss. If we can see that. So this all for my task 3 ADA on the sample superstore dataset. I hope you all like this video. Please comment down to give your feedback and the suggestion about what area I have to focus on. Thank you all.